Once the wood's been marked out correctly, I've cross-hatched the sections where my saw can be placed to make sure I know which bits I'm going to cut and which bits I need to save. Make sure, of course, that that wood is 230 millimeters between those two lines, and again 230 millimeters between those two lines, making sure that you've got that waste in the middle and both pieces will be the same size when you've finished. You then need to use the tenon saw, which is this saw here, to cut a straight line through this piece of wood. I'm going to use this apparatus here, this equipment here. It's called a bench hook, and that just slots into your table vise here, and that helps us to keep the wood nice and straight and ready for sawing. I put my finger across the front of my saw like this, which allows me to keep it nice and steady, and I hold my piece of wood like this against my bench hook, and I'm going to cut slightly in my waist. I want to be able to see my line when I'm finished to make sure that it is correct. I can always sand it down afterwards to make it correct, but we want a little bit left over so we don't make it too short. Okay, so you draw back a couple of times to start the cut. I've got quite a wide stance of my body, and that allows me a nice steady position to then move the saw backwards and forwards to cut my wood off. Once I've taken that piece off, I can then saw the other one. The technique to really use with this saw is we're moving backwards and forwards using the whole length of the blade, and we're not pushing too hard, otherwise it gets stuck in the timber grain. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward.